Here we go again, ladies and gents. Now we're on question 5 and we've got some olive oil. Don't you just love olive oil? Well, here we've got to find the mass of the olive oil. We can see that we've got an unopened bottle here, and we've got one that's been used, and we've got both of their masses, so we know that by difference the mass of olive oil in that bottle would be 0.97 subtract 0.51, which will give me 0.47 kilograms. That olive oil was poured into 3 measuring cylinders which had a volume of 250, and the third one, well, 2 of them were filled full, okay, to the 250 mark, so we know that the volume of 2 of them, that gives us 250, we've got that as 250, and the third one is over here. And I hope we all know that when using or when measuring liquids, liquids have a meniscus, this little rise at either end there. Okay, this one here as well. And when we use a measuring cylinder or any measuring device, we read from the bottom of this meniscus. Okay, and that bottom of the meniscus we can see is in between these 2 divisions. Okay, and we know that this volume is 50, so we've got 40 and 30 and 20 and 10, so our reading is between the 10 and the 20, halfway between, so we know that here we've got 15 cubic centimeters. Well, we know then that that's the third bottle. The first and the second bottle are here, so that's the total volume, which gives me 515 cubic centimeters, or cc's. We're then given a formula for density, being mass over volume. So if we take the mass which we were given, or which we found out to be 0.47, then we divide that by the volume, which is 515, and that gives us a value on our calculator, and we're asked to give 3 significant figures, so there's those 3 sig figs. So we can round that to 0.000916 cubic centimeters, though I'm sure some of you have then written that out as 9.16 times 10 to the power of 4 negative 4 cubic centimeters. Either answer will do, and of course if you made a mistake in calculating the mass or the volume, that you could still get the answer for density correct using what we call error carried forward. Okay, if you find that written on your work, it means that you're not going to be penalized twice. Error carried forward. Voila, thank you.